Oh. Ah. Uber driver. Because what Virginia has said, send you now your ash car. No. There be me patch on me who ye. Oh, okay, name me chill. I'm in just street anymore. Greenhouse name. Alright. Why? Hey, Main Street in Mpaucho. What do? How do? My baby now, Miss Afton and Mammy stories. Go forward, Paladin.
Anything you say or do,
please.
I'm gonna lead you to your casket.
Please.
Quiet!
Please don't hang me, please. It's the money you want to work.
Come on, let's stand here. Obey instructions.
No, trouble.
Quiet!
You know more than me, I call. What's wrong? I say scam. I'm trouble.
Hello, babes. Yes, yeah. Nobody is going to harm you.
But what is this? What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
You know, I do my things in a mysterious way, you feel it? I'm like a chameleon. It's me, Danny, anytime that I want, babes. You are blessed in my life. And on this special day, I just want to ask you, babes, please, will you marry me? Sugar, please, will you marry me? Please, don't say no, babes. Please. I've been waiting for this moment and this special day. Please. Sugar, please. Please.
Oh, bingo!
I know.
Bingo!
Nice
one there. Mission accomplished.
Why did you do all this?
Because I love you, baby. I love you. I love you. I love you.
You, especially you.
I'm sorry, okay?
Honey, thank you so
I
much.
didn't mean to hurt you. I know you are scared.
I'm so scared.
You know what it is? What is it? Come on.
Okay.
And then now to me on this.
So to me, why you be my call to me? Why you be my call to me at the same?
So what do you care for when I'm going out? Tell me.
I don't know. What are you eating today?
What am I eating today? I'm jollof with beef sauce, yeah.
Okay, so.
Yeah.
Papa C. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Ah, I didn't know you. Papa C sugar.
So then.
Oh my God! Let me see, I can't believe it.
Yeah.
What's your promise you?
You know what it is.
Ah, Mommy, I'm Shadi.
Oh, Ade.
Baby girl, I'm so happy for you.
You got to be happy, yeah?
Because why are you?
Oh, Lord is in control.
Why are you? Ne meme nyina kwa ne pe oba for bo oba no ade ne se obefa bi no waja wako. Bon wade nya go akwasi da wase what.
Oh, you know what it is.
Girl,
I just love you.
give me 5.
I'm so happy for you, girl. I told you.
You too many too much. I don't like that.
And I can hu. Na ka de no. What tin firi hu nyi. Hey, sugar.
You're fine.
Nah, I want to say.
Come here, do more.
Yeah, baby, mama.
Well,
Hey, you
I feel
say
like
or the cross
me and I'm stepping forward outside into our way there. Say girls more having conversation. Maybe fear around maybe two.
I know the me intimate wa aba.
Okay, and more baby 3 4 no more fear.
Open details.
Oh,
Ah,
Just collect her. Pay details.
Honey.
Yes.
Alright, so
Come here, come and give me her pet keys. You know what it is?
when you put say. Na me dey with you.
Yeah, it's okay. I love you, baby. Come here. Okay.
Thank you. Take care, yeah.
Love you, eh?
Love you.
Acquisition won't see you.
That's it.
In your phone.
Oh, I forgot. Thank you. Love you.
Baby girl. Charlie, I'm so happy for you. No, I can't do it naturally.
Sweet. I'm kind, but then they were money. I'm like just say, "Mini baby, I'll call you. You're chaining me."
No, tell me
Why not chaining me, la?
What
Hey, ain't no real.
What can I say?
What's the one you fresh side? Let me show me the until me most sad, you know, because this guy.
So I say, my pay is over pay.
Hey,
Sugar be there.
you girl, you looking good. Oh yes. I don't know who watching in China.
I think so. Someone from our own from Sugar.
Oh, girlfriend, I've been busy. Sorry. Hear me out.
See, my wife said me child surprise visitor.
Hey,
to me who this week.
Ay, gabi humi and trunk but gabi humi. I gabi humi girlfriend.
Anyways, girlfriend, guess what?
What?
My brother. He said hi.
Hey, it's been long. Hope he's good.
And he's coming! He's coming!
Are you sure?
Oh, why should I
This
lie?
man.
Yes! And Oba. He is coming. And he wants you to be aware, say, Oba life and color.
Hey,
Life!
Boiling.
Yeah, listen!
Oh, I'm watching a new. It's a new bro.
They be all the me. At long last.
Me now, boy, baby, hey. Sister, say me need time.
Adiana,
We need time.
Adiana, you want to make a just all about. And all but me a sure say, yeah, but I'm paid.
Yeah.
Then you go in there, the make places. Chilling. I'm not saying you're too young to
discover places be our
You don't mean it.
may discover
See,
places
you are
be
bad. You see, you are bad. You're bad. You're chilling alone.
Oh God,
So,
my
baby,
heart
be
is
a
going to be
baby.
cozy.
Baby, obey. Baby, pipi or them beko. Akosombo. I wish I can even
new places be a good pram. Nice, and yipa locations a good pram.
Sugar, you are bad.
Hey,
Sugar,
Momo
you are
Saboroya, Sencheni, one in Embo has some coded area so.
girlfriend, as her place in the more costume secret pap. Yeah, secret pap. How was that opportunity? Sister, you're
Tony
sure.
Bennett. It's a big place now.
So you know all this place?
Oh yes, girlfriend, you know what?
Holiday or don't worry, when he comes, you'll reply.
City escape. Oh God.
Woman,
See that?
woman.
Enjoyment. You said then maybe say some hard to hold.
See, ending 18th for
14th is gonna be an amazing day. 14th of February, yeah. Birthday to the special someone, you feel it. So what do you care for? What do you want?
And you know me, you know I love surprises. What do you have for me?
Surprises. Now I'm a surprise. So I say I sound it too.
Anything for me?
I'm not gonna get you a portrait. No, I'm not gonna get you a jewelry. No. What again? No, this time around now.
Should I make a wish?
Yes, please. Just do it. You need a car. I promise you by the end of the year, I'm gonna get you a car. But not on your birthday.
That's what I told you.
No, baby.
You should surprise me, not for me to not do anything.
I don't like that thing.
No, don't do that. Right now, mint me Gigi Manonka say everything is okay for me. One say me year 1 or 2 be na me say blast man. I promise you, say I'm gonna get you a camera spider. Trust me, 2018 camera spider. The Masai customized within Sugar One.
I'm praying for you.
Just pray for me, babes. So just let me know what you want to do.
Honey, I don't want to mention anything. You tell me next year. And
no.
And anything that touches your heart, just do it for me, and I'll be grateful.
Okay. You and I, we're gonna be naked near we are cool with me around the mall.
Are we mad? Are we going nuts?
No. Let's do that.
Or shut down.
Yeah, why not? We are the first couple just to do that.
Somebody will just come and carry me, go and pamper me and give me some dress. Then you'll be there. Roll me up. They will be pouring water on you. You are a man. It's true. No, I don't like that. I won't go mad on my birthday. So what?
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Are you okay with it?
Let me taste first. The way you've been hyping this place.
You're gonna love it, trust me. I told you, yeah?
Yeah. Okay, not bad. But I know I do it better. I do it better.
Oh, for sure. Nobody bypass you, yeah? You're the best cook.
Thank you.
So after here, where do you want us to go? Because today is your special day, yeah?
Can we just go and relax and then the evening?
We go to the cinema. Because I know more premium movie.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, if you can movie into movie.
Really?
Yeah.
24 hours in marriage?
Yes. 24 hours in marriage. Yeah.
That movie. I've seen the adverts.
So let's try this today. So
All
after
right.
then, we go to the basement. From there, we go to the house.
I want a cool place.
Oh no. Because today I have to shake you. I have to make you feel like.
I don't want to dance. I want to dance.
But you supposed to hear what we are saying.
I don't want to dance.
What? I saw some people filming here. Once upon a time, you told me you just wanted to be
I want to be an actress.
So should I go and tell them, hey, who's the director? My
Hey,
baby
want to act?
Yeah.
And I can act so. Oh, baby, I can.
But really,
I want to act. Hopefully you allow me.
why
You know,
not? Me,
some men don't want their
No.
women in the-
You know, Sam, you know one of the directors. I just wanted to be a producer. Yeah.
Honey, we can start something at home.
Okay.
On social media.
On social media. No. I don't want that.
We will be doing our videos and post it and see the outcome.
And
The
who-
views and the applause, then we know.
And who's not going to direct you?
We can do it. We will direct ourselves. When the car where they are doing wine. Understand? Hey. I want to surprise you or what?
Hey, baby.
Baby.
Come here.
Hey, honey. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah.
So you surprised me. Hey, sit down. Sit down.
Yeah.
Honey, tell me. What is the car key? Huh?
My car key.
No, your car key. The car.
Which car are you talking about?
Baby, don't play dumb with me. Stop that.
Stop
it, honey. My birthday gift.
Birthday gift. I don't really get what you're saying.
Honey, the car you parked outside for me.
The car I parked outside? No. I've not bought any car for you, yeah? Come here. No, please.
Then who is that car for? Who parked that car there? With my name inscription on it.
I don't know. Probably AUB now park here anymore. I don't know. Oh, no, come here. Babes, no, come on. I promise you I'll get you a car. Let's see from 6 months going. As I told you, yeah? Okay? So, you shouldn't worry about this. So that's it. Me person me idea I want to buy immune to me feel because when the situation at hand right now, I promise you definitely I'm going to get you a car. I love you, please.
I love you too, but when I saw that car with my name inscription, I thought it was a surprise gift for you.
Oh no, it's not. No.
Don't worry.
I'm not surprised. I miss you. You're looking hot. Look
really?
at you.
Look at the lips. Painted lips.
I just want to lift
Painted
you.
lips.
Come here.
Anyway,
Let's go.
Okay.